లాగండి ఒకసారి అట్లా. అంతే సింపుల్. వెనక్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే వెనక్కి. రైట్ గురించి స్టార్ట్ అయింది చూడండి. వస్తుంటారు, వాళ్ళు యాడ్ అవుతుంటారు, మీరు చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఏదైనా వెళ్ళిపోయిందా?
లేదు సార్, ఫస్ట్ పేజ్.
క్యారియర్.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the what is the plan, how to plan the achieve NEET and EAMCET as well as IPE exam. దీన్ని కొంచెం మళ్ళీ చేసుకోవాలి.
ఒకళ్ళు యాడ్ అయ్యారు, చిన్నగా యాడ్ అవుతుంటారు, వాళ్ళే వస్తున్నారు, మీరు చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండి, వాళ్ళే వస్తున్నారు.
అలాగే.
రైట్.
ఓకే. సో అంటే రాసుకోవాలి సార్, ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సిందే కంపల్సరీ.
రావచ్చు, రాయాలంటే రాయండి, లేదా మమ్మల్ని మాట్లాడండి, రాసారంటే రాయండి.
Right. So in NEET point of view, there are 45 questions are there, but in case of EAMCET only 40 questions are there. In NEET 45 questions, and in case of EAMCET 40 questions. NEET point of each question carries 4 marks, but in case of EAMCET each question carries 1 mark, right? So here NEET point of view very important than the EAMCET. Okay, listen here. So in NEET point of view, only you can prepare from NCERT books. NCERT books only. From NCERT books, if you read line to line, in NCERT book, you can achieve your goal, or you can gain the good score. You can gain good score. Okay, and then, but in case of the EAMCET, here you can read, you have to read from academy book, Telugu Academy book. If you read, or if you remember line to line from academy book, you can reach your goal, EAMCET goal, or you can get good marks in EAMCET. But in case of the NEET point of view, you have to read line to line, word to word, and remember line to line, word to word in NCERT book. Okay, then in case of the present, you are all preparing for the IPE exam. If you read the IPE exam, so first they will ask, you have to write 60 marks. Out of 60 marks, so 2 marks, 4 marks, this is the VSAQ and SAQ, and 8 marks LAQs. right? Then in 8 marks question, that is male human reproductive system and female reproductive system. From these question compulsory they will ask one question. From this compulsory one question. And then second LAQ from genetics. Second LAQ from genetics. So in genetics, long answer questions are: 1, the multiple alleles, and the second question is sex determination, and third question is DNA fingerprinting, and fourth one is crisscross inheritance. Crisscross inheritance. Crisscross inheritance. So this is the second question. And third question, third LAQ. It is from the structure of heart, and second one is working of heart, third one is internal structure of kidney. And fourth one is urine formation. From these 4 questions, third long answer question they will ask. Okay, and then so this is about the long answer questions. Then in short answer questions, or SAQs. One question from the applied biology, and evolution, and third one is from the digestive system, and fourth one is immune system, and fifth one is endocrine system, immune system and endocrine system, and also from the genetics, seventh question is like this. Seventh question is from the neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination. Then maybe eighth question. Eighth question is from the one second. Breathing and exchange. Breathing and exchange of gases. Gases like this. First you read from the applied biology. In applied biology they will ask two questions maybe. They will ask 1 4 marks and 1 2 VSAQs. VSAQs. In VSAQs, one from digestion and absorption. Digestion and absorption. And the second question from the excretory products and elimination. Excretory products and elimination. Excretory products and their elimination. And the next question is musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system. And neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination. And next one is from the endocrine system. Endocrine system. And then next one is immune system. Immune system. Next, seventh one is reproductive health. Reproductive health. Next one is from the organic evolution. Organic evolution. Okay. And 9 and 10 both are from the applied biology. Applied biology. Applied biology. So these are the VSAQ questions. Okay. If you read applied biology, you can get 2 VSAQ questions. Organic evolution, 1 question. Remaining each chapter, 1 question they will ask. Okay. For that, if you want to 60 out of 60, you have to concentrate on 2 marks questions or VSAQ questions. So one question is diagrammatic question. That is TS of spinal cord, TS of spinal cord, maybe they will ask, or sometimes bone, ball and socket bone or something like that, bone. So these are the, out of these, the TS of spinal cord is very important, and structure of tooth, structure of tooth, structure of tooth is very very important. Okay, then next one is so these are the main diagrammatic questions, main diagrammatic questions. Next, then if you take the NEET point of view, NEET, so physiology, very very important topic. Physiology, in physiology 12 to 16 questions they will ask, 12 to 16 questions in physiology, 12 to 16 questions they will ask. Okay, next, genetics, 3 to 4 questions, genetics 3 to 4 questions. Evolution, evolution is 2 or 3 questions, 2 or 3 questions. And the next one is animal kingdom, 2 or 3 questions. And structural organization, structural organization. In structural organization also 2 or 3 questions. Next chapter, next, this is about the second year syllabus, first year syllabus in NCERT books. I will give you, just wait. Next, biodiversity and conservation, biodiversity and conservation. From this they will ask 2 questions. Environmental issues, environmental issues, environmental issues, they will ask 2 questions. And also human reproductive system, human reproductive system and reproductive health, and reproductive health, reproductive health, human reproductive system, reproductive health. So from these two they will ask 3 questions or 4 questions, or sometimes 4 or 5 questions from these two topics: human reproductive system and reproductive health, reproductive system and reproductive health. Okay. And human health and diseases, human health and diseases, human health and diseases. In human health and diseases they will ask 2 questions, and then genetics and also evolution is covered. And organisms and populations, and population. 1 question. Organisms and population, 1 question. Ecosystem, 1 question. Ecosystem, 1 question. Okay. In organic evolution, 2 or 3 questions. Mostly 2 questions they will ask. Right. 1 second. Okay. Strategies and enhancement in food production. Strategies and enhancement. And enhancement food production. One question. Okay. Then structural organization, 3 questions. Okay. So total they will ask 45. Okay. Next, from these the human health or inner digestion and absorption, digestion and absorption. Digestion and absorption, 2 questions. Breathing and exchange, and exchange. Breathing and exchange is 2 questions. Body fluids and circulation. Body fluids. and circulation. Body fluids and circulation, 2 questions. And excretory products and their elimination. Excretory products. And elimination. 1 question. Excretory products and locomotion and movement. Locomotion and movement. Locomotion and movement is 2 questions. Okay. Neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination is 1 question. Human reproductive system. Human reproduction. Human reproduction, 3. Reproductive health, reproductive health, 2 questions. Like that they will ask. These 2 are already covered, these 2. So this is the previous questions they asked. Okay. Then now we can discuss the reproductive system. Human reproductive system. Human reproductive system. Just in human reproductive system, it is divided into 2 types. Male human reproductive system and female human reproductive system. Okay. In male human reproductive system, one is testis and then next one is epididymis, vasa efferentia, and vasa deferens, and 5th one is urethra, and 6th one is penis, and accessory glands, like that. Okay. From this we can take the testis. What is the color of the testis? First, shape, oval shape, color, pinkish red color, pinkish color. Okay. pinkish color. And then location. Location is outside the abdomen. Outside the abdomen. Okay, why testes are located outside the abdomen? Because the temperature is low. Temperature is low in scrotal sacs. Scrotal sacs. Outside abdomen means they are present in the scrotal sacs. Scrotal sacs. What happens if the testes are present in the scrotal sacs? Temperature is less 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade is low. Low. How much temperature is low? 2 to 2.5 temperature is low when testes are outside the abdomen. When testes are outside the abdomen. Okay. That. And what is the use of this low temperature? It is useful for spermatogenesis. What is the spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis. Formation of the sperms. What is that? Formation of sperms from testes. Formation of the sperms. Okay. So testes are held in position or held in a okay. Next. Testes are held in position in testis by gubernaculum. By gubernaculum. కౌశిక్ అంటే ఎవరు? స్టూడెంటేనా? నువ్వు ఒక్కలేదా? ఏం చెప్పలేదు. జువాలజీ మాట్లాడి పెద్దగా ఇప్పుడు రారు అంతగా. చేసేయమంటారా? ఓకే. Held in position by the newborn oculum. Testis connects abdomen by inguinal canal. By inguinal canal. In inguinal canal, one is spermatic cord, artery, vein, and lymph vessel. All these are the important. All these are the important present in the inguinal canal. Then, so this is the testis. Testis is covered by testis covered by tunica albuginea. And tunica albuginea covered by tunica albuginea is covered by tunica vaginalis. So this is the tunica albuginea. And outer layer, another layer is covering this is tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis. Tunica albuginea is divides the testis into several testicular lobules. All these are the testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. This is the one testicular lobule. How the testicular lobules are formed? Testicular lobules are formed by the tunica albuginea, and each testicular lobule each testicular lobule consists 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. The total number of seminiferous tubules in each testis is 250 to 750. 250 to 750. Right? Then in two testis, 750 to 1500 seminiferous tubules are present. Okay? Then seminiferous tubules are open into the rete testis. Open into the rete testis. Rete testis open into vasa efferentia. And vasa efferentia open into epididymis. Open into the epididymis. And then epididymis open into vasa deferens. Open into vasa deferens. And vasa deferens open into or join with the seminal vesicular duct, seminal duct, and form ejaculatory duct. Two ejaculatory ducts are formed. Two ejaculatory ducts form the urethra. Two ejaculatory ducts are form the urethra. Urethra starts from the posterior part of the urinary bladder. Posterior part of the urinary bladder. Next, epididymis. Epididymis is divides into three parts. One is One is the caput epididymis, corpus epididymis, and cauda epididymis. Cauda epididymis. Caput epididymis receives sperms from the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. And in epididymis maturation and development of sperms takes place. Maturation and development takes place. And then corpus epididymis. Corpus epididymis opens into the cauda epididymis. Cauda epididymis. Cauda epididymis opens into the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. Then what is vasa efferentia? Vasa difference. Vasa difference. What is vasa difference? Vasa difference is coil-like structure arised from the cauda epididymis, and through these sperms are passes through these duct, and this vasa differentia or difference join the vasa difference join the seminal vesicle duct. Seminal vesicle duct. Okay. Both sides seminal vesicle ducts. Both sides are joined, form urethra. Form the urethra. Next, penis. Penis is a penis is a male external genitalia. Male external genitalia. What is a external genitalia? External genitalia are one is a penis and the testis is also the external genitalia. Then penis is composed of three columns: dorsal two columns and ventral two columns. And ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు కదా, లేదుగా ఊరికి అంతే జాయిన్ అవటమా. So dorsal columns are called corpora cavernosa. Ventral column is corpora spongiosa. Ventral column is corpora spongiosa. And entire it is covered by a skin. And entire it is covered by a skin. These three columns are filled with the capillaries or gaps. When they is all filled with blood and erection of the penis takes place. Okay, so this middle is called urethra. Urethra. Then next, penile urethra. Penile urethra passes through the penis. Penis is intromittent organ. It is intromittent organ. Transfer of the sperms from male individual to the female individual. Transfer of sperms from male to female. From male to female. Then inside the penis, urethra is open to outside. Urethra opens to outside by urethral orifice. Urethral orifice. urethral opening, urethral orifice or urethral opening. Next, urethra is a common duct. Urethra is common duct. Urine is passed. Urine plus the sperms passes through these duct. So urethra is a common duct for urinary and sperms transfer. Urinary and sperms transfer. Then next, accessory glands. Accessory glands. So accessory glands are, one is seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Second one is prostate gland, and third one is bulbourethral gland. First we can take the seminal vesicles. One pair of seminal vesicles seminal vesicles and seminal vesicles, secretions of seminal vesicles, 60% of semen is seminal vesicular fluid. Seminal vesicular fluid. In the seminal vesicular fluid, seminal vesicular fluid consists, seminal vesicular fluid is consists, one is proteins, citric acid, and prostaglandins, inorganic phosphates, inorganic phosphorus, and also fructose, etc. All these together it is called seminal fluid. Sorry. Next, next gland is prostate gland. prostate gland present below the urinary bladder. And or neck of the penis. Prostate gland secretions are useful for lubrication. Prostate glands secretions are activate the sperms. Next, bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland is present below the prostate gland. And these secretions are 15 to 30% of semen. These secretions are useful for flush out of any residue of urine. Any residue of urine. So this is the alkaline in nature. So that is about the male reproductive system. అబద్ధం ఆపైనా ఇంకంత ఫస్ట్ డే కాబట్టి కొంచెం ఎట్లా ఆఫ్ ఇట్ అయిపోయింది. ఎట్లా ఇప్పుడు కట్ చేయటం? ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ సార్ ఏంటంటే ఊరికి బ్రీఫ్గా చెప్పమన్నారులే. నాకు ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇది.